Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to reveal, I think this will be the last for this year at least, on my wish list item. And if you're interested to know what item it is, just stay tuned. Hey loves! Welcome back! By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. I make videos such as hauls, unboxings, reviews, updated reviews of some contemporary as well as luxury items. So if you're into those topics, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And make sure to follow me on Instagrams, where I do share some OOTD and where I also share these items and how I wear them on a daily basis. And lastly, I would like to thank all of my returnee subscribers for your support and for always tuning in. So before I start the reveal, I would like to let you know that I have put timestamps throughout the video, so if you're interested in one chapter than the other, feel free to check them out in the description down below. Okay, so now without further ado, I am finally going to reveal you the item. And like I've mentioned, this is one of the items on my wish list 2022. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as in the description box below, so you have an idea what are the different wish list items that I have put on that video. Of course, unfortunately, I wasn't able to take them all, but I'm quite satisfied and happy that I have been able to gift myself some of those items on that wish list. So without further ado, I'm going to start off by revealing you the item, and the item came from Hermès. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So this is a very first unboxing also. So as you all know, this is how it looks like, well, at least an orange box. So I guess you already have maybe a slight idea what it is. So let's do the unboxing. Okay, so this is the item. Oh my gosh, I have to be careful. Okay, so there's the pamphlet or leaflet concerning the item, and it's the none other than the Mosaïque au 24 gold tray in the small model, or some call this the Sushi Plate. Oh my god, I'm just going to take it out so I can show you how it looks like. So that's how it looks like in front, and then on the side like that, all around like that, and then at the back there's just the stamp Mosaïque au 24. And then yeah, this one is in the color gold. It does exist also in the color silver or platine. And yes, I managed to score one. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the Hermès Mosaïque au 24 gold tray in the small model. Okay, so now I'm just going to give you the specs, the price, as well as the care guide of the Mosaïque au 24. So first and foremost, concerning the specs, dimension wise, so in here this is 16 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and I think the depth it will be around 1.5 cm or 2 centimeters. So it's not that, deep, but it will enable you to use it as it is usually called for, a sushi plate for sushis or for bread, but also you may be able to use this as a catch-all for different small items such as your jewelries and such. For example, concerning the story behind this particular item, this is an iconic and sparkling item. Mosaïque au 24 pays tribute to the mosaic adorning the floor of 24 Faubourg, which is the historic Hermès store, which was opened in 1926. It was actually born of the encounter of antique Greece, Art Deco, and contemporary arts. This graphic set is characterized by motifs interspersed with color and light. So yeah, there you go. And this is actually available in two versions. The one that I have is in gold, and it also exists in platinum. The gold touches punctuate the palette of ochres, and the platinum one make the iridescent gray shimmer. Concerning the care guide, although all the pieces in this set can be washed in the dishwasher on occasion, Hermès recommends that you wash them by hand using a soft non-abrasive sponge in order to prevent their luminous and delicate decoration. This set is not microwave safe as it contains precious materials. It also reminds, if you go to an Hermès store anywhere in the world, if I'm not mistaken, well, at least the shops here in Belgium, that's the case, and also in Paris, this logo, you will always see it in the entrance. So it's really the brand logo. So I'm very happy that I have been able to score this one. And the price tag, so the current retail price in 2022 is 135 euros. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly tell you why I chose this specific model. So I opted first and foremost for the gold version because I love the way, the color that it gives, and the way that the gold is really very significant in here. You can really see it in comparison to the platinum, which is a nice one also, but it's not as bold as this one. And I really wanted this one because I will use it as a catch-all. I will not use this as a sushi plate. I will mainly use it as a catch-all with my two other small trays that are in the color platinum and in the color gold also. And if you're interested, I have unboxed them. I'm going to put the card just right here so you can check them out, and also in the link in the description down below so you can see how they look like. And yeah, I will put them all together, so it will be a set of 3, and I will put them on the top of my drawer, so it will be, a touch of a little bit of elegance and sophisticated touch in my dresser. So on my dresser, so I'll be happy with that. I'm going to put in here mainly my jewelries, sometimes watches or such, some nicks and necks. So yeah, that will be the main reason why I chose this item. And also, it's a very hard to get item, so I have been able to score this, but I had to put my name on the list at the Brussels boutique, and I think I have waited for a month or almost 2 months before it arrives. So I gave them my name, my details, and then they contacted me once it arrived at the shop, and yeah, I grab it once I have received their email. And lastly, I think that this item is a great item to either gift yourself like I did, or you can also gift it to your loved ones. It's a very nice gift as a housewarming gift, or at any occasion, a birthday gift, Christmas gift. Because of the price tag, of course it's still expensive for the size, for what it is, but I think it's something that will be cherished by the person who will receive it. And I'm very happy that I have finally added this item in my collection. So there you go, guys. That was the reveal of my Hermès Mosaïque au 24 Gold small plate. I hope that this video has entertained you in a certain way and maybe help some of you out there who are debating if you would like to have this item or not in your collection, if you're more on the gold one than the platinum one. And if that was the case, I hope that you'll give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment, your feedback in the comment section down below, as it will help the algorithms of my channel too. And lastly, for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my videos but aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. So until then, I hope that you stay safe and I hope to see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.